This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and software compatibility. Run dxdiag and look at the display section to confirm feature levels. This tells you if the GPU advertises 11. 0. Once done, download and install the latest official GPU driver from the vendor and the DirectX runtime redistributable. Make sure Windows Update is current so platform updates land. These steps fix most mismatches fast, because drivers and runtime files are the usual culprits behind reported feature-level failures. Once you have basic updates done, remove drivers cleanly to eliminate leftovers, boot safe mode and run display driver uninstaller, then install the latest WHQL driver fresh. Make sure chipset drivers and BIOS are current because system firmware sometimes affects feature reporting. Verify Visual C++ runtimes and the DirectX redistributables required by the game. Also check power plan and PCIe link state. Low power or limited BIOS settings can cause the GPU to not expose full feature levels to the OS. You finish by validating the game environment. Verify integrity of game files, launch as administrator, and test with another GPU if available to isolate hardware. If the newest driver introduced the regression, roll back to the last stable build that reported feature level 11. 0. Make sure to retest dxdiag after changes. One key tip: if dxdiag never shows FL11 and your GPU is older, the only real fix is a hardware upgrade or use of cloud gaming/compatibility layers. Software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.